Good morning. Welcome back. If you guys are new here, my name's Heath. We family-oriented channel here, doing our day-to-day farm life basically. We do everything from we raise cattle, bale hay, kind of just rural living, I guess would be the best way to put it. There'll be a little bit of everything on our channel. Most of it right now has been firewood and wood splitting. It's firewood season right now. But with firewood, I am in need of more firewood poles, and I haul my firewood poles on our gooseneck trailer that has Bluetooth brakes right now. So we're going to take those Bluetooth brakes that's over on the shelf, and we're going to slap them on the trailer today. I've already got the wheels off. I wasn't paying attention. I put it up on jack stands and got the wheels and tires off. But I'm going to get started, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me while I put these brakes on there and convert them from Bluetooth to hardwire connected brakes, the way they actually work. So I've had them brakes laying over there for probably 3 or 4 years probably. And that's about how long the trailer brakes have not been working. So we're going to get the trailer brakes working today. That way we can haul some firewood poles the rest of the week. So stick around. Thanks for... Wrong box. That's pool parts. Those are not the brakes for the trailer. Well, let's look elsewhere. Oh, here they are. Way in the back. Right by the winch that I need to install on my side-by-side that I have not done yet either. Yeah, we're really on top of things around here. Really on top of things. There is the box of trailer brake parts. I'm having a conversation, texting back and forth with a friend of mine, and he's telling me all of his bad decisions he made within his life. Those bad decisions were about selling some trucks that you don't come across trucks like what he had gotten rid of. But I won't mention no names of who it is. Oh, that looks fun. Yeah, buddy. New brakes, new magnets, whole 9 yards. So, now we just gotta hope that they work. We got 2 for the other side. Sweet. Back down here. See if we can figure out how to get this stuff weaseled apart.
Decent persuader. And it should pop right off.
Let's go change some brakes. I think I got it. I think I can figure it out. Once we get all of our tools ready, that is. Wow. She good and broke in, I'd say. Which I don't think we've ever done. I can't remember, to be honest. I should just keep my mouth shut, shouldn't I? Yep. Yes, Heath. You should just keep your mouth shut. Is that what we're gonna do? Keep my mouth shut. Shut it, hush it, shut it, Jim. Yeah. I got a little bit of pause and a break. There's a young man running that saw right now. His name's Buddy. He is an absolute awesome young man. He's letting her rip. I mean, his dad's all right too, but I mean, come on, his son's pretty dang awesome. Ah, I got it. No cotter pin. They've just got a tab. If you look, there's a tab right there. It's in that groove. It's got to be bent down with this one, and it'll allow the nut to come on. It's goofy as all get out. Whatever. I reckon if it works, it works. Whatever blows their hair back, I reckon, and the good part about that is I ain't got much hair to get blown back. Yep, that's it. And look, the old canut spins right off. Look at that booger scratching there. You gotta remember how you take this off, the way I understand it. That thing comes off, and that's the tab. Little tab right there sticks up. Washer around the nut. So, that's how that shakes out. I get it, I got it, I think. Do I? Maybe not. But, hey. Pack how them bearings look good. As soon as I tell Dad the bearings look good, he's gonna say, well, flip yes, son, what do you think? I'll grease it. And he does, he greases the hell out of stuff. And I mean flat greases the hell out of stuff. Which I'm glad that he does, you know. Wowza, them bookers is. Woo! That booger, that ugga got hot. Whip, we're back at it. And I got some butt connectors here to connect this and then heat shrink them and all that happy jazz. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna butt connect and heat shrink them. Note to self, when you get your box of trailer brakes from Amazon, please read on the brakes. I'm on the left-hand side of the trailer right now, and I found out that, you can't see it, but I found out that I just wired up the right hand brakes to the left-hand side of the trailer. Don't do what I did. Pay attention. I redid that one that I already did once. That's good practice. If I got that one finished, at least I got the brake finished. So now, all I gotta do is put the wheel hub back. Or I should say the brake hub